I want to express my deep gratitude to Sunilji for being an incredible mentor in GMB and Google's Map SEO. In the past 4 months, his teachings have been a game changer for me. Sunilji is always there to lend a helping hand whenever you need it. What makes him stand out is his commitment to his student success. His guidance goes beyond regular lessons and he makes sure you understand and succeed. If you are serious about making a $10,000 a month in Google's Map SEO, Sunilji's coaching is the way to go. He's not just a teacher, he's a mentor who is always ready to assist. Sunilji's dedication to his students is truly commendable, and his friendly approach makes learning even more enjoyable. His practical insights and real world examples have given me the confidence to navigate the complexities of Google's Map SEO effectively. With Sunilji's guidance, I feel that I am in the way to achieve my career goals and elevate my earning potential. Thank you, Sunilji, for this. Thank you.